Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install a Drupal 9 website via Composer. First step is running this command, composer create project with the package Drupal recommended project with version 9.0.1 with the project name my first Drupal 9 websites. Then we will execute this and it will install all the files for Drupal 9. When Composer is done downloading, you see the blue message. Congratulations, you have installed the Drupal codebase from the Drupal recommended project template. We can cd into our new directory with our project name, my first Drupal 9 website. And we can see the files in there. You can see web, where all the files are located from Drupal 9. We can go to our local host because I'm under for www.html. Now we can go to localhost my first Drupal 9 website /web. And we see the Drupal 9 website is located over here with Drupal 9.0.1, this version. You can go through the wizard for installing the Drupal 9 website. So this was the tutorial how to install Drupal 9 via Composer. I hope you liked the video.